Welcome to Beautyistic, where we get down to the nitty-gritty of the beauty world to help you make informed decisions. If you've been on the hunt for a foundation that offers long-lasting wear while keeping your skin comfortable, let's talk about Estee Lauder's Double Wear Sheer Matte Foundation. This foundation promises 12-hour wear with a fresh matte finish, and it's loaded with features like SPF 19 and a formula that's free from fragrance, parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and synthetic colors. Let's break it down and see if it truly lives up to its claims. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Matte Foundation comes in a 1.0 phthalates bottle and is designed for combination, dry, and oily skin types. It offers a liquid texture with a cool pink undertone in the shade 2C0 Cool Vanilla, making it an option for those with lighter to medium skin tones who lean toward cool undertones. The formula is all about hydration with long wear, which sounds like a dream for anyone who struggles with foundations that fade throughout the day or dry out the skin. Now let's talk about real-world testing. Incorporating this into your beauty routine is surprisingly easy. I found that the foundation blends in well with my fingertips or a brush, creating a smooth, even base without feeling too heavy. It has a medium coverage, so it's not the full coverage beast that some people may expect from foundations with a long wear claim. But it definitely covers redness and unevenness without caking. If you like a sheer finish that still evens out your complexion, but doesn't feel like you're wearing a mask, this could be your go-to. I did a few tests wearing this foundation throughout the day. Everything from my morning skincare routine to being out in the elements, and it stayed intact. The matte finish really holds up for hours, but it doesn't feel drying. For those of you who worry about foundations accentuating dry patches, this one hydrates the skin while providing that fresh matte look. That's a big win for those of us with dry skin who still need that oil-free, shine-free look by midday. On the flip side, if you're looking for a full-on matte effect with zero glow, this may not give you that. While it's billed as sheer matte, it still allows a slight radiance to peek through, which might be a bit of a mixed bag depending on your personal preference. Also, while the formula claims hydration, if you have severely dry skin, you may want to layer a good moisturizer underneath, as it can feel a little tight if applied directly to dry skin without prepping. As for pros, the hydration to matte balance is a standout. The wear time is impressive. 12 hours isn't an exaggeration here. It doesn't oxidize and remains true to color throughout the day, which is a huge plus. The fact that it's free from fragrance and synthetic colors is another win for sensitive skin types, especially those who are picky about what goes on their face. But no product is perfect, right? The price point might make you think twice. Estee Lauder is known for premium pricing, and while this foundation is worth it for its performance, it's still a high-end product. If you're on a budget, there are alternatives that offer similar wear and hydration without breaking the bank. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek but simple. It's not bulky, which makes it travel-friendly, but the glass bottle does feel a little fragile, so it requires a bit more care than plastic packaging. If you're someone who prefers foundations with an SPF, this one's a great option, although it's always best to layer an additional sunscreen underneath for full protection, especially if you'll be outside for long periods. So where does this foundation stand in terms of value for money? If you're looking for a foundation that offers both long wear and hydration, and you're willing to invest in a premium product, then yes, it's worth the splurge. If you don't mind spending a little more for a foundation that feels comfortable and stays in place all day, Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Matte Foundation is definitely a contender. Now, if you're after something more affordable, but still want that long-lasting, matte but hydrated look, you might want to consider products from brands like L'Oreal or Maybelline, which have options in the same category, but at a lower price point. To wrap things up, the Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Matte Foundation delivers on its promises of a long wear, hydrating matte finish that lasts all day. It's not completely matte, but it's perfect for those who want a sheer coverage that still looks fresh and natural. If you're willing to pay for quality and a reliable product, then this one's definitely worth checking out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this foundation, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.